Welcome to Product Critique. If you're searching for the best water fountain for cats automatic, your search might just be over. Today, we're taking a close look at the Veken cat water fountain, a smart, safe, and efficient hydration station designed specifically for your furry companions. Whether you have a cat, dog, or a small pet, this product is built to deliver clean water with minimum fuss and maximum ease. Let's dive into everything this product offers. At first glance, the Veken cat water fountain looks sleek and compact, finished in a modern black design. It holds 84 ounces or 2.5 liters of water, perfect for cats and small to medium dogs. But what really sets this product apart isn't just its appearance, it's the thoughtful engineering under the hood. Starting with safety, Veken uses a magnetic induction power system, which means the electrical components are completely isolated from the water tank. This significantly reduces the risk of electric shocks or leaks, making it a worry-free choice for pet owners who are cautious about safety. Next up, maintenance. One of the most frustrating parts about pet fountains is often the pump. But Veken has eliminated that stress altogether. This fountain is pump-free, which means fewer parts to clean, no complicated setups, and no risk of pump failures. If you've ever had to replace a dead pump or clean out tiny parts, you'll appreciate how simple this system is. Operation is whisper quiet. Running at only 25 to 30 decibels, this fountain is barely audible. That makes it ideal for indoor use, even in bedrooms or quiet offices. And in case you ever hear a gurgle or hum, it's probably just letting you know the water level has dropped below the minimum. Top it up and you're back to peace and quiet. Now let's talk about water quality. The Veken fountain features an advanced 5-stage filtration system. It uses a combination of silver ions, composite scale inhibitors, and activated carbon to purify water. Each filter lasts up to 3 weeks, and with regular cleaning every 2 weeks, your pet stays healthy and hydrated. The customization is another highlight. You can adjust the water flow by adding or removing the spout, depending on your pet's preference, whether they enjoy a gentle trickle or a more playful stream. There's also a built-in LED light which adds visibility at night. Just use the switch on the power cord to turn it off. It's that simple. Included in the box are some thoughtful extras: a silicone pad to catch splashes and protect your floor, a replaceable impeller, and a cleaning brush to help keep the fountain spotless with minimal effort. In terms of dimensions, it's a space saver, measuring just over 8 inches long, nearly 7 inches wide, and about 5.5 inches tall, and weighing just 2.35 pounds. So whether you're placing it in a corner of your kitchen or beside your pet's bed, it fits right in. To sum it all up, the Veken cat water fountain is a blend of smart design, quiet function, and pet-friendly features. It's not just another dispenser, it's a well-rounded solution to keep your pets hydrated safely and happily. With a high customer satisfaction rating and solid construction, it's clear why this model is making waves in the pet supply world. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this sounds like the right fit for your pet, you'll find the link to the Veken cat water fountain in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns like this one. See you next time.